So Chelsea, 3 in a row and you're only 16 years old. How did that feel?
Oh, it's just amazing. Like, I've had such a great experience being here and being able to travel around the world this past couple of years, and to do this so young is just so surreal.
Well, George, it was really close there. 4 of you were all together and you just got that wave right at the end. Are you glad you got onto that one?
Yeah, absolutely. I was pretty lucky to get it in the end, I think. But it's been something that I've been working on my surf skills, so I'm really happy that it paid off today.